Before you put your roof sheets on, you should start by putting the cutback flashing on the beams. Get the flashing and make sure it sits flush against the bracket. Make sure it's level and not hanging over. Then secure in place with the rivets supplied. There are two types of profiles in the Cooldek range, Cooldek Classic and Cooldek CGI. In this installation, we are using Cooldek Classic. The process is identical for CGI Cooldek. First, peel off the plastic protector sheet. You will need to remove the foam in the cutback area as shown. This is required for the sheets to lay over the gutter. The top of the Cooldek sheet is supplied longer to allow it to overhang into the gutter for water runoff. The same procedure is used when fixing either option to the frame. Now use either a turn up, turn down tool or pliers to turn the sheets up at back channel end and down at the gutter end. This is completed for weathering purposes. When pushing the sheets into the back channel, make sure the top section of the Cooldek is pushed into and is engaged with the PVC foam. Now secure the panel into place with 4 by 8mm sealed rivets. Assemble the tech screw, cyclone washer plate and neoprene washer as shown. Measure and fix the tech screw through the sheet, cutback flashing and into the beam. You can mark the back channel and front beam at 1 metre spacings along the unit as a guide to ensure the roof is being laid square. Repeat this process as shown here for remaining sheets. Ensure the cyclone washer plate is correctly positioned as shown. When cutting the Cooldek sheet, measure from the last sheet to the outside face of the side beam. Place your roof panel on the sawhorse and cut the end off as per the other panels. Measure the distance you require for your new panel and string line it so you get a straight line. Now proceed to cut along the line. In this instance, the installer is using a reciprocating saw to cut through the Cooldek sheets. Cut the foam and bottom sheet to the required dimension. Then flip the panel over and repeat the process. Ensure the top sheet is at least 30mm wider as shown to assist with the gutter installation. You may need to shave away any unwanted foam. Now, grab your roof panel and position it into place. Measure the outside so you know the length of the flashing. Then, grab the cutback flashing and sit it over the foam panel. Secure in place and cover the end beams with capping. With the vermin strip that has been supplied, break into small sections. Then place into every crest. This is done to stop the vermin from getting into your roof. You can now go along and measure out 200 mils between rivets for securing all the panels closest to the house.